Good morning to all of you. Today we want to calculate the square from 1 to 100. So how you calculate? Today we using only two formulas. You can also calculate within a seconds from 1 to 100 square. So we use first formula a plus v का whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus v square. Second one is a minus v का whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus v square. You can calculate square root from both these formulas. Whichever you feel easier, you can calculate the same. So there is a you must be know from 1 to 9 varg. Okay. So 1 varg is 1, 2 varg is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. And 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64 and 9 square is how much? 81. This is 6. Okay. Sorry, 9 is not coming in the camera. Okay. So 9 square is 81. 9 square is 81. Okay. So you must be 9 up to 9 square must be known. Okay. Now suppose that you want to calculate what is the square of 19 ka square. Okay. Before we calculating the square, you must we know two things also. Okay. Suppose that you want to square of 15. So how much? You just calculate the 5 is 5 का square कितना होता है? 25. Okay. Now 1 is next number is what? 2. So multiplied by 1 into 2, how much? 2. 1 into 2 means 2 बन जा 2. So answer is 2 to 5. Now what is the square of 70 square? For if any number given in the last 0, for squaring you just 0 write down 2 times and the 7 ja 49. So what is the square of 70 square is 4900. Like this 80 square. So how much? 8 8 ja 64 00. So 6400. Suppose that you want to 50 square. So 50 square means there is a single 0. You can write down just 2 0 and 5 5 ja 25. Okay. Now you want to what is the 35 square? 35 square. Okay. So 5 5 ja 25 and 3 next number is 4. So 3 into multiplied by 4, how much? 3 4 ja 12. So the answer is 1225. Now you can calculate any number up to 100. You can easily calculate by using this formula. So suppose that you want to calculate what is the square of 79. Okay. 79 square. You just calculate. So how you give the answer? There is a two ways. One is a minus v ka whole square is equal to this one. So a minus v, how you calculate? Just 80 minus 1. What is 80 minus how much? 79. Now you use formula a square. A square means 80. What is the 80 square? 00 and 8 8 ja 64. For any given 0 in last, you can just write down 2 times 0 0 0 and 8 8 ja 64. You at least 9 these knows, then you calculate up to 100 square easily, no issue there. Okay. So this one minus 2ab plus v square means plus 1 minus 2ab, 2 means 2a is what? 80 and v is what? 1. So how much? 160. Right. So you just calculate, just add and subtraction. So how much this? 6401 minus 160. 160. How much? 1. And taking a tens, coming here tens, 10 minus 6 is how much? 4 and 3 minus 1 2. This is your answer. You just calculate on your fingertips by using this formula. We using this one. Now we want to use this formula. Okay, so what is the 75 plus 4? How much? 79. So 75 plus 4 square. So a square means 75 square. Just we known before to you how in double digit, if the in last number is 5, so 5 multiplied by 5 is how much? 25. And 7 next number is 8. 7 8 ja 56. Okay, plus 2ab. 2 means 2 2 ja 8. 8 multiplied by 75. Okay, so how much coming? Just and plus v square means 16 plus 2 into 4 into 75. ठीक है, so how much this? 75 into 2 150. 150 multiplied by 4 600. 600 plus 16 616 ऐड कर दीजिए 616. ओके, 1 3 2 4 2. So from both formulas answer coming same. If you just want to know the 79 square, okay, 80 minus 1 is also 79 square and 75 plus 4 का whole square is also 79 square. So if you take any number, you can calculate within a second or your mind by using this formula. So how you utilize these formulas? A plus b ka whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b ka whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. You can easily use. Now we take another example. Suppose that you want to 91 square is what? Then there is a simple formula. Okay, a plus b का whole square. So 90 plus 1 square. So how much? 90 का square. 90 square is what? 8100 plus v square means 1 plus 2ab. 2ab how much? 2 into a means 90 or b means 1. So 90 into 2 how much? 180. You just add down 8100 1 and 180. Okay, 1828. So 8281. 91 का square is 8281. This is the answer. And if you also want to by using this formula, then you can just write down 95 minus 4 square. Okay, so I suggest to you, if up to from 10, so suppose that 50 60 upon 70, so 71 72 73 74. Okay, 75 is easily you just using by this formula, and up to 91 to 95 if you want to calculate, then I prefer to use formula this one, a plus b ka whole square. Okay, now if from 95 above up to 96 97 98, these three numbers 99, okay, then you use 90 minus this one, or 100 minus 1, 100 minus 2, 100 minus 3, 100 minus 4. Then how much? It comes 99, 98, 97 and 96. 95 there is no issue. If you want to 95 square, then what is the answer? Just in unit number square, 5 5 cha 25, and 9 is what next number? 10. So 9 into 10 how much? 90. So this is the answer. Okay, so my question is that you easily calculate. You want to calculate 90 to 100, between these numbers what is square comes out. Okay, then 91, 92, 93, 94. I recommend to you, please use formula number this one. So 90 plus 1, 90 plus 2, 90 plus 3, 90 plus 4, 95 you using by this formula. And now 96, 97, 98, 99, you can also 95 plus 1, 95 plus 2, 95 plus 3. So using this formula easily calculate by you. Okay, so thank you. This is for you for the today, and if you like, please subscribe, share and comment also for our next video. Thank you for watching.